Welcome to my video blog. This is for 2365 level 3. This is the design assignment, and specifically I'm looking at question 9. So this is just about question 9. So we have a look at question 9. Let me bring it over in here. Question 9 is about completing the boxes regarding earthing and bonding. So for this one side of it, you're going to need to possibly use the on-site guide, but most of the times what you're going to be doing is you're going to need your big Rex book out of here. And if you go through regular bits and pieces and you flick through various bits, you will see that chapter 54 is quite good. It's labelled up as earthing arrangements and bonding. And what there is that tells you all the words that you're looking at. Main bonding's there and the supplementary bonding's there. And what you need to do is turn to the relevant page. Yeah, do a little bit of reading about it, make sure you can understand what it's talking about. And so in this example here, you'd say what main bonding conductor is. Yeah, get a bit of a definition if you like. And the second thing again, you need to put the second part of it is where you would find it. I would find the main bonding here, 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 and here. Now obviously you may not know for definite where you're going to put it, so you've got to make suggestions that you would likely to find it here, there, there, or there. So these are the suggested items where you're likely to find it. When you do the reading side of it, there is a little bit about cross-sectional areas. You'll find within that chapter it says whether it's got protection or without protection, so you've got to find out. There's a little tricky one down here about functional earth, where you're switching earths particularly, or you put an earth in there for monitoring purposes, so you've got to think about how that fits in. A little bit about earthing systems and CPC, various bits about there, and that's where you find the tables about adiabatic equation and things like that that you used about. So you've got to do a bit of research and say what it is, and then actually find out the sizes. And some of them you can find out the sizes, and some of them you can explain that you'd have to do this by a little bit by calculation. So a little bit of research, try and explain what you're doing. It's about looking at the whole thing and saying it. Again, you get 2 shots at doing this one, so again, do the best you can, get them in, and then hopefully with a bit of feedback, you're always going to nail it at least first and second time round, you're going to get that one. So nice little bit of research on question 9, yeah, all about chapter 54 of the regulation book, so make sure we follow that one.